Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. This will be an unboxing of my Ninja 5 monitor. This is a monitor and recorder. This is a 5-inch screen. This is a 1000 nit brightness 4K 60p HD monitor recorder. I'm gonna put this right here. You can pause this if you like. You can pause that if you like. But let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Actually, let me be honest, I've already unboxed this and checked everything out, checked some things out, but I decided to go ahead and do an unboxing. This has really already been, as I said, I've already taken this stuff out of here. I'm gonna take this off of here. Again, 5-inch screen. Set that to the side. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at some of what we have around, what's on here actually. Focus. You have your HDMI in, HDMI out. You have your spot right here where you can put your SSD drive. This is where you're going to put the battery, or the. I think this does come with like a dummy battery. And you have a mounting point at the bottom, Atomos written right there. Mounting point at the top, and mounting point at the bottom. You have your mic line in, headphone and remote, and your power button. Build quality, this feels pretty solid. And I believe this does have an active, there's some vents. This does have a fan or something in it, I believe, an active cooling system. Build quality seems pretty nice. Let's see what's else in this box. Again, I've already opened this up. This is, they do give you, like if you're international, I don't know what country this is for. Got like a caddy right here. This is another foreign electrical thing right here. Different country. Put that to the side. And here's another one. And I believe this is for the SSD drive. This doesn't come with an SSD drive. Here's the one I want right here because I'm in the United States. And here's the charging. Well, this is the power brick right here. It comes with this. This little connector right here on the end. Right there. So you can, this goes into here. Screw that into there. You screw this into here as such, like that, and then you can take this and put it on there like that, so you can have continuous power. And if you want to get this off of here, you just press this button. If you want to get this off of here, just press this button like that. Put that to the side. And this is the charging brick that it does come with. The charging brick that it does come with. And I'm in the United States, so you just take this right here and just put this on there like that, and that snaps, and that's not coming anywhere. And to get this off of here, you just like that. But I'm gonna put that back on there. But this is the cord right here. Cord, pretty long. That's the charging brick. Put that to the side. This is a little caddy that it came with. I guess you can put your SSD drive in there. And I have some other things. I do have actually an SSD drive that I did purchase. Put put that to the side. And it's right here. I've already opened this up too. This is a sort of unboxing. This is the Atom X mini SSD drive. Some literature and stuff like that. It's 500 gig right here. This is a 500 gig SSD drive. I have one more thing that I did purchase. All of this stuff will be linked in the description. This is the data cable. It's in the other room, but this is the data cable. This will allow you to transfer your footage off of this caddy to put into your computer. I'm going to be using a PC. I don't have a Mac computer or anything like that. I'm going to be pairing this monitor up to my Panasonic S1H picture, you know, right here, as you can see here, the Panasonic S1H. And back to the monitor, you can also power this monitor with this, this is an NP550 battery. You can just take that. I'm going to turn this on as a matter of fact. You just plug that in. I believe you just got to hold the power button down. All of this stuff will be linked in the description, so if you want to purchase it. There we go. You hear that fan? You won't hear that constantly. That's just because I'm turning it on and I'm actually putting it up to my mic. Unlock the screen. This is a 1000 nit brightness display. I'm going to actually brighten this up. I'm actually trying to get this setting back to 0. Man, come on. There we go. Again, 1000 nit screen brightness. God damn it. Keep hitting this over here. There we go. Pretty bright. I'm not going to go through all these options or anything like that. I'm going to be using the Kodak DN-X. I'm not going to be using ProRes. I'm just going to be, because I have a Windows computer and I edit on DaVinci Resolve 18. So I'm going to definitely test this monitor out and take it out in the real world. And if you want to catch the full review on this, I will be, well, if you want to catch the full review, go ahead and subscribe. And if you like this video, hit that like button, hit that thumbs up. Again, recap, just an unboxing of the Ninja 5 monitor recorder and the Atom 500 SSD mini drive. Matter of fact, let me just go ahead and put this on here. Okay, yeah, just take that. And this drive was actually $199, around $200, but I think you're paying for the aesthetics because some of the other drives, some of them may stick out maybe about right here, maybe about an inch outward. But this one stays flush, so you don't see anything hanging off the side or anything like that. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. This has just been an unboxing. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. If you like this video and unboxings and things like that, consider subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide in